You're the one right now leading, CJ. You're the one leading now. Yeah.
Where's my card?
Your card? What card?
Would you like to offer it to
Mine.
others?
Yes. Fight them. I
Who
gave
would
it
like
to
to
you.
buy?
We don't have that money yet.
None.
No.
None? So we'll put it down. Okay, big deal. Okay. Okay, yan. Next. Okay, so for now, we'll give coaching for those who want to ask. If you want to ask for coaching, you can roll this die, and then if kung matapat sa 1 or sa 6, you can ask.
Mhm.
Kung hindi matapat doon, you can. Okay?
Mhm.
Alright. Yours. 6.
Play Jack.
Okay.
5. Do that. Damn.
Okay, do that.
High school reunion. I spent $250.
Okay, 250. Okay, next.
The guy in pink is a child that is playing. He's losing money.
4.
See, you see that?
Baby! Alright! Okay. Congratulations, Rebecca. You also have a baby. How much? 240. So, add 240 to your total expense. And then total income minus total. Right?